Nexium and Prilosec fraud by Merck and Astrazeneca, disclosed by Eric Priest. You will be angry and want these billion-dollar frauds stopped because these drug companies are hiding the truth, same as the cigarette companies did in the past. Why is it nearly impossible to stop taking Nexium and Prilosec, similar to addiction to the drugs? Because of intentionally fraudulent drug design. How long have you and your friends or family been taking Nexium and Prilosec? Generally, you should stop after 4 weeks. Tricked and cheated. Has Nexium and Prilosec harmed the health, finances, and investments of your family and friends? Look at the following facts, then you decide. Tricked and cheated. Approval trials are invalid. Why it is nearly impossible to stop taking, resulting in the need for continued use similar to addiction to the drugs. Because when you stop taking Nexium and Prilosec, stomach acid concentration levels increase up to 10,000 times higher within 2 days. Impossible to claim the companies did not know. Second reason patients can't stop taking Nexium and Prilosec. After stopping, a residual effect of both drugs causes stomach acid volume to increase up to 2 to 3 times higher. Astrazeneca and Merck chairmen are fully aware. More than $15 billion in revenues, plus profits have been greatly increased because of the addictive effects which result in long-term usage. Merck is the manufacturer and marketer in the U.S. of AstraZeneca's Nexium and Prilosec. Intentionally fraudulent direct-to-consumer advertisements. During Nexium testing, 88% of people were ulcer-free, taking only sugar pill, placebo.
I didn't know it could put me at risk for stomach ulcers.
She didn't know.
Oh, you didn't know either.
If you take certain pain...
Transcribed text from this Nexium television commercial. If you are 60 and over, continuous use of pain medicines such as ibuprofen, naproxen, and aspirin may put you at risk for an ulcer. For people at risk, 1 prescription Nexium pill a day can reduce the chance of a stomach ulcer caused by certain pain medications. This statement is based on 2 26-week clinical trials, which in the Nexium insert clearly show that 88% and 83% of patients remained ulcer-free taking only placebo sugar pill. 88% of patients were ulcer-free taking only sugar pill, placebo. This fact proves the fraudulent intent of Merck and AstraZeneca. Below is an exact copy from the Nexium insert, the official guide for doctors and consumers of Table 12. Example, deadly undisclosed side effects. Nexium and Prilosec make it impossible for the patient's stomach to fully dissolve Plavix. It also seriously impairs your body's protein absorption. Merck and AstraZeneca. Stock prices and investors will be affected now that intentionally fraudulent drug design and advertisements are exposed. Stock prices will be affected and unlimited legal liabilities. Impossible to prove my fraud charges wrong. I personally challenge the chairman of Merck, Mr. Clark, and AstraZeneca, Mr. Schweitzer, to prove my fraud charges wrong in front of Congress. Take action. If you have family and friends who may take these drugs or own Merck and AstraZeneca stock, pass this information on and add this video to your Facebook. Contact your congressman. Demand they stop the frauds at house.gov or senate.gov. Not one official will tell me my fraud charges are wrong. I have told the top official in multiple government agencies. Most of them claim these billion-dollar fraudulent schemes should be another agency's problem. But they all remain publicly silent.